And welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can insert table in ChatGPT. This means how to put tables in ChatGPT or how to get output in the table format. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser and type in the URL www.openai.com. Once you do this, you will end up in the official website of ChatGPT. So simply get logged in into your account, and once you have done this, all you need to do now is simply type in the prompt that I am typing in this video. So once you have typed in all the necessary inputs, all you need to do is simply type this prompt called render this table as markdown format and display it. So once you have typed this in, you need to simply tap on the arrow button to enter it, and now you will have your table inserted in ChatGPT, which looks like this. So you can also make different kinds of tables by typing in some data and giving the prompt to ChatGPT to present it in the form of table, and it will do so. So by this way, you can simply insert table in ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.